physical suffering written all over their faces. Now it's the turn of the PNP. Now you can make some noise. I hope you're not trying to get to sleep in Manila. It's not going to happen. Not for the next 5 minutes or so, anyway. The Philippines National Police Force, there you see the support on the ground here in Al Rawaya, Dubai. You've waited patiently all day. Last year the PNP went round in 4 minutes 50, so expect this to be good this year. Fabulous support. I think my online chat is blowing up. No issues with the human ladder. No issues with the balance beam. As they come across those monkey bars, they must touch that little yellow bell that you can see. I'm being told there are people back home in the Philippines going crazy in their pajamas right now. It is after midnight. Don't wake up the neighbors. Oh, go on then, wake up the neighbors. They should see this if they're not watching it. The barrel roll, 3 more to come, there's 1. 2 more from the PNP. Laban, Philippines. Three more still to come. Great rhythm, you can tell straight away that he's not going to have any issues. Here's the final team member, the 5th and final team member. He's got to hit that buzzer as they connect. He's got to hit the bell. No issues there on the barrel roll. And that fireman's tower, most of them go up the steps, but one of the team members must go up that little climbing wall on the side. Chengli says, I'm watching this live from Bontoc in the Mountain Province. Good luck, Highlander PNP. Traverse rope as they come round that final corner for the final straight in the final time on this, the 5th and final day of the UAE SWAT Challenge 2026. Oh, we couldn't quite get over the first of those hurdles on the Irish table. It's a jump. It's a leap. Nerves are being shredded. Shredded here in Al Rawaya, shredded across the Philippines as well tonight. PNP of the Philippines. Their personal target is 450. We have 4:15 on the clock. 30 seconds to get across that line, and they do it. The PNP come home in 4:21.7. Oh, they're happy about that.